Team Dr. English is going to have a fabulous presentation, and the presentation will be upon a conversation between two persons. We have got Tanmay along with us, and he is going to have a small presentation based upon conversation between the customer care executive and the customer who has suffered a lot. And it's not a customer care executive. In fact, it is the transport shipping company, and that person, Mr. Tanmay, is not happy with their services. Let us see what is that discussion all about. Here it goes.
Tring tring. Hello. Is this All India Shipping Company? Yes, sir. Good morning. How can I help you? I want to make a complaint here. Yes, sir. What is your customer ID? Yes, it is 258009. Sir, I am really happy to say that your shipment has been done yesterday itself. Oi, I want to say that your shipping services are the worst in the world. Your shipping services are the worst in the world. Sorry, sir. What happened? I moved from Solapur to Delhi with my whole family. I paid you for shipping services of my household materials. Yesterday at night, I opened those packets and I was shocked. My furnitures were broken. There were cracks on crockery, and there was a huge dent on my washing machine. My carpet was ripped off. I'm really sorry, sir. Yes, the only thing you can do is to say sorry to the customers. Do you know that they were priceless for me, and I spent valuable moments with those things. I'm really sorry for your loss, sir. But now we can do is to pay to pay back the compensation on those things. We are here to do business, sir. We have 99.9% success ratio. But due to some reason, we have to bear losses on 0.1%, sir. And you know that business has always a risk. Okay, I can understand. Sir, today our company will send a boy to inspect those things, and I assure you that your compensation will credit to your account within a week, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for calling.
Woo! Wonderful presentation. It's a small presentation presented by Tanmay. It's a level 1, and in level 2, he is going to do wonderful discovery about himself. He is going to speak fabulously in level 2. So this was level 1 presentation. It was Tanmay. Thank you so much.